One of the excellent features about the Latex 365 and the Latex 560 and 570 is the ability to print double-sided and have the double-sided printing be fully automated. The printers use the onboard amaze. It registers the second side. It places the image on the second side. Now, frequently people ask me what products would work well for double-sided printing. This is a certified media. It is made by Ultraflex. It is an 18-ounce, 1,000 by 1,000 scrim banner. It is a full blockout scrim banner. It is heavy. It is solid. It is certified. This was done at 6-pass. The 6-pass media would be 245 square feet an hour. We're putting 100% density down at 6-pass, so I have a very good speed with a very nice saturation and print quality. The key thing with printing double-sided is you want that opacity, and you also want something that's thick enough, especially if you're doing a pole banner. See, pole banners are going to be hanging outside on a street. And up on a street, you have to have a lot of durability, a lot of strength, tensile strength, or it's going to blow away. This is a strong banner. Normally what you would do is take two 13-ounce materials, weld them together with a blockout, which is going to give you a lot more material. Printing double-sided saves you having to spend all that extra money on material, plus it saves you all of the fabrication. It's very easy to make double-sided banners with the Latex 365 and the 500 series. This product by Ultraflex is excellent. It is a matte finish. It prints very well on both sides. Another nice thing about it is the heat that the printer uses to print doesn't really affect this banner. It's a very heavyweight scrim banner, and so when you measure side A to side B, and I usually do that by putting print registration marks all the way around, what I do is when it finishes printing, I put a little pinhole in it. And then if the needle comes through exactly on the same side as the other black round mark, everything lines up perfectly. Now you may get a little shrinkage on side A, that's not uncommon. You can compensate for that by effectively changing the scaling. So what you're going to do is enter in the scaling what you want to get, and then enter in what you do get. And then side A is usually the only side you have to scale adjust. Side B, on the other hand, is going to remain stable because you've already applied the temperature to side A, and that's usually going to be any shrinkage is going to happen right there. So it's a very effective way to print double-sided. This is a great choice to print double-sided. This would be one of my first things I would turn to when I print double-sided because 1, it's certified, 2, it's a blockout, and 3, it serves the pole banner application very well. You could certainly print this single-sided. There's no reason you can't, especially if you need something in a very durable application, something that can really take abuse or wind. This is a very good choice. But on a latex printer, especially with our double-sided capability, this material is a perfect choice. It is the Ultraflex 18-ounce pole banner. It is certified for the 500 series, and it's certified also for the 1500 series. It is not certified at this time for the 300 series, but I don't think you would have any trouble if you ran a 365, loaded this in, built a preset from scratch. I think 6 or 8 pass would be fine. It'll look great. It'll print fine. Very good choice to do double-sided printing for outdoor durable banners.